Hi friends, in this video I'll tell you Google tips, tricks and Easter eggs. So the first one is sorting your Google search. So if you search anything like I am searching now for tech news, you can search anything and here you can see the tools. If you click on the tools, two drop box menus will come. In here you can see anytime. You can change it to any time range. So if you click on past hour or past 24 hours, you can see the posts from that time range. So the next one is about changing the Google search language. So here you can see many languages, but there are only few languages here. So if you want to use a language other than these, just go to settings, search settings, languages, and here you can select any language you want. So if I click any language, every search result will show in that language itself. There are many languages here. So the next one is Google image search. So for that, just go to the images section here and click on this camera icon and go to upload an image and click choose file. So here's one screenshot of the Google Chrome home page. If I select that, it will show similar images and many other things, and you can select the sizes, small, medium and large, and like that. So next we are going to calculate using Google voice search. So just say 24 times 35 times 99 divided by 45, and
the answer is 1320.
And they will say the answer. Now I am going to tell you how to find websites related to the one you search in Google. Just add related and a colon sign before you search, and you will find the website. For example, if I search related colon youtube.com, I will get the results of similar websites. Did you know that you can play Google games in your PC? Just search for a game, for example Snake Game, and you can play the game. And there are many games like the Snake Game. There is here you can see many games, and you can also hear animal sounds. You can play Pac-Man, Tic-Tac-Toe, and all the games listed here. Now let's see change in Google logo over time. So just search for Google logo history. And you can see the Google logos. So this is from September 2015, and this is from September 2013. This is from May 2010. This is from May 1999, and this is from 1998, September 1998, and this is from 30th August 1998, and this is from 1998. Did you know that you can spin a wheel in Google? Just search for spinner, and you can spin the wheel. You can adjust the wheel size with numbers, and it will spin the wheel. And you can also use fidget spinner in Google like this. So thanks for watching. Please share, like, comment and subscribe.